Well, hello again. I hope you stay tuned for this part of the video. We're going to take that Aquafaba that I had showed you. Now this was the bean juice from the chickpeas. So we're going to use 1/4 cup of this Aquafaba. We're going to make mayonnaise with this. So last week I showed you how to make mayo with soybeans, tofu, and soy milk without any eggs and oil. This time I'm going to show you how to use, I recently found out that you can use Aquafaba to make mayo. So I'm going to use 1/4 cup of Aquafaba. That's the bean juice from the chickpeas. I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. And if you notice, I've used apple cider vinegar in the other 2 recipes also. And I'm going to use the juice, a tablespoon of lemon. And I use lemon in the other recipe. I'm also going to use sweetener. I'm going to use maple syrup. That's just about a tablespoon. Maple syrup. And then I'm going to put in some mustard. And that's about 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. I use that in one of the recipes that I made mayonnaise with also. I'm going to use 2 cloves of garlic, because I love garlic. And you can keep all that. You can use 1 clove if you want to, or you don't have to use any if you don't like garlic. And I think I'll use just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just a 1/4 teaspoon for now. I'm using sea salt. And I just might use a little bit of paprika. Stirring this. I'm going to use my Immersion blender for this recipe. The oil that I'm going to use, I use avocado oil, and it's just about 3/4 cup of avocado oil. I'm going to see if that would be just enough for this recipe. Let's see here. Make sure I get that on it. Just blending that. Then I'm going to start pouring my oil in just a little bit. Just about 1/4 at a time. See, I'm just slowly moving this up and down. Put some more oil in there. I just want to see what it tastes like. It's a little sweet. It tastes almost like, what is that mayonnaise? Miracle Whip. Hey, we've made Miracle Whip. But anyway, let's see. I'm going to do some more. Now, if I were to add more oil, it'll get thicker, but I think I don't really want to add any more oil. Personally, I think I'm going to leave it alone. But it is a nice sauce that you can dip your chips in, your fried potatoes and stuff. Sandwich spread. It does make a good sandwich spread, I think it will. Let me go put it in a jar. So I think I'll use this as my mayo jar. So if you want a real fluffier, or also this will, once you put it in the refrigerator, it'll also get a little harder. But if you want it to be more of a fluffy type of mayo, then put more oil. You probably need a cup of oil. And I used, like I said, I use an avocado oil. Use a neutral oil like sunflower, avocado. Olive oil would make it a little stronger. And sometimes olive oil, when you put it in a blender, it comes bitter, like have a bitter taste to it. So you may not want to use the olive oil, but that's up to you. So, and this is like a mason jar, and I got a pretty good size. So thank you for hanging in there and watching me do my second part of this video, which is actually very interesting, that the juice from a bean juice out of a can, can make mayo with it, mayonnaise. And not only that, there's other things I found that the bean juice can also, you can use this like egg white. So later on I will show you some of those other items that you can make with the bean juice. Not just chickpea, you can also use black bean juice. I've seen them use the black bean juice to make chocolate, brownies and chocolate chip cookies and that type of thing. So if you like the video, I want you to share with your friends. I want you to give me the thumb up, I like, and also of course share and hit the like button. Thank you.